So guys, I don't think I need to stress this more. But if somebody is treating you in a way that is lesser than what you deserve, you have the right to be in no contact with this person, or to stop talking to this person. No contact is just a word. It's I would say that if you don't want to initiate a conversation with this person, it is perfectly okay to not have a conversation with this person, because your your importance or your individuality has something which sets a standard for everything. So whether you are working in an office, or you're with your specific person, or you're dealing with some other people who you call your friends, if they cannot treat you well behavior wise, I'm not saying in the long term but in the short term also, if they are behaving in a way which is undesirable to you, you have the right to say no to them. You have the right to not initiate contact with them. You have the right to be whatever you want to be. You can have your boundaries, right? It is fine to be what you want to be with this person, because they people should be mindful of your boundaries. People should be respecting you, and if somebody is treating you in a way which is triggering you, and making you feel all those things which you don't want to feel, of course you do need to do your inner work. But at the same time, there is no need to entertain a version of those people in your life which is no way helping you to be the desired version you want to be, or you want this relationship to be, or you want this particular for example, if you are in an office and people around you are treating you in a way which is so very toxic, you have the right to ignore them. You have the right to not be with them, to be your individual self, and you don't need to explain anything to them, because when you go inside, when you go within yourself and you talk to yourself that okay, this is what it is, this is how it is, you don't need to actually clarify anything to the other person. The energy itself goes to that person, and they'll understand that that they have done some mistake, or they treated you in a way which is non-acceptable to you, and you have zero tolerance policy for those kind of things. What I mean is, see, the other person can create mistakes, can do something, but time and again, if the same mistakes are being repeated, if boundaries are being crossed, you have the right to have your boundaries firm, and you don't need to be sorry for